I'm awake this morning and I haven't even left my bed yet, but I have made 100 pounds in 45 minutes. How, you might ask? Just by doing the very thing I love to do the most, which is what? Chat, talk, teach, share my knowledge with people, and get paid for doing so. Now, I'm going to tell you about this side hustle that has made me 100 pounds in just 1 hour from the comfort of my bed. Every single day, I receive emails like this, I receive notifications like this to come talk about topics like this. And I talk about them for what, 45 minutes to 1 hour, and I get paid, anywhere between 75 pounds to as high as 200 pounds just for 1 hour. I have a couple more lined up in the coming days as well. And I think that the minimum amount I'm going to get paid is 50 pounds, and that is for a 30-minute session. Now, what job or side hustle do you think is paying me this amount of money? Drum rolls, I'll tell you, right? Okay, so it is called market research. I think I've mentioned market research in my previous videos. You might want to go back and watch the old videos. Market research is when a company pays you to share your opinions or expertise about a particular subject matter, a particular product or service. It could be something as simple as reviewing a website, or something as simple as sharing your experience using social media apps. These are some of the simple tasks that you do as a market researcher that earns you up to 300 pounds per session. The sessions are usually about 45 minutes to 90 minutes long, which is an amazing deal if you ask me. Now, this is how to go about getting market research jobs. And for you to start, you just need your mobile device and an internet connection. And then you need to register on market research apps where you can apply for these market research tasks and roles. These websites upload market research tasks and roles every single day. Now, down to the basics of market research. As a market researcher, you need to choose there's so many market research companies, trust me, there are so many out there, but then you need to choose the one that is tailored for you. You need to go through the platforms, see what type of people they do, what type of companies they work with, what type of questions they ask, and see if it is suited to you, if it is something that you're comfortable with, something that you can give your true opinion, without holding back anything, right? So I have two favorite market research platforms that I'm going to drop here. The first one is Respondent. And I love Respondent because it is a market research platform that challenges me. It teaches me, it pushes me to learn. Now, Respondent is a platform that gives market research questions based on industry. So for example, I can go to Respondent and see a market research for Scrum Masters. I am a Scrum Master, and because I have the knowledge and the expertise, I get to apply. Now, the best part is, oftentimes when you join this session, you might not be the only Scrum Master. So I get to meet other Scrum Masters from other companies, other industries, and learn from them while I'm also sharing what I know, and we're chatting, and then I get paid for it at the end of the day. So often I might see a market research about, let's say, business owners. I run a business and I apply as well. And I also get knowledge about running business tips from other business owners that are in that session. Now, the maximum amount of time I've spent on a market research has been 90 minutes. So it's usually 30 minutes to 90 minutes. But that 90 minutes, I've only done a 90 minutes market research one time. But every other market research I've done has always been 45 minutes to 1 hour. And I've earned between 75 pounds to 200 pounds for this market research. The minimum I've earned one time was 50 pounds, and that was just to chat about how I used a particular financial product, like how I used it. And they paid me 50 pounds for 30 minutes of my time, which is a very good deal and a very good bargain, right? So as a market researcher, you need to choose the platforms that you want. So Respondent I love because it is career focused. It asks you questions regards to your career. Give Opinion is the second favorite, and I love Give Opinion because it has broader questions that anybody can answer. You can ask you questions for something as simple as, what shampoo do you buy? come and rate the skincare products. What's your favorite fragrance? Why do you choose this fragrance? What are your ideals about cars? Are you a new UK investor? You know, all those basic life opinions, like come talk to us about your electricity bill, come talk to us about your water bill, come talk to us about your telephone bill or telephone service provider. Would you like to switch? All those simple questions. And the amazing part is the pay is also decent. So all you need to do is to go to this market research website that I've mentioned, giveopinions.com, responded.com, sign up, register, and start applying for market research. Now, it is very important to know that market research is a game of numbers. You need to apply consistently to be able to be selected for a research and get paid. But I don't want to say I've mastered the hack. I think it's more like I've applied so much and participated in so much market research product that I'm sure that when I apply, they'll be like, okay, we know this girl, she does well, and they just pick me. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to like the platforms are biased, but that is what I think. Because sometimes I just apply half-heartedly, like, oh, okay, I'm at home today, I'm less busy, let me just apply, and then I get selected. I'm like, okay, I didn't even put that much effort, right? So it is a game of numbers. You need to apply consistently for you to get selected and for you to get chosen. And it's also very important to, you know, be truthful, say the truth. But oftentimes, really, they just want to know your honest opinions. You don't have to think too much about it. You don't even have to do anything. Just come and say your honest opinions. Give honest opinions, honest feedback, honest review. And this is why I say it is very important for you to be knowledgeable and read a lot, because that way you do not have to over prepare or say things that will make you come off as, you know, a liar or something like that, because you have general knowledge about that particular subject matter. So to become a market researcher, search for market research companies, register, start applying for market research tasks and programs. You know, just choose the one that is suited for you. I'll also try to drop a list of market research companies below in the comment section.